especially in real estate, we had wonderful. The customer is coming, sir, you are the most luckiest person, sir. That's why you came here. Okay, this is the only one plot. Actually, this plot already sold to person. In the last minute, he required to travel to US, sir. That's why he stopped this. Otherwise, this type of lucky plot won't be available until this time. You are the only one person for this. Actually, 4 or 5 members waiting, sir. By afternoon, they are going to come and they are going to confirm. If you are not going to take, definitely you are going to feel regret tomorrow. Believe me, with my all my experience, I'm sharing with you. Seems to be you are very innocent person. Seems to be you are very good person. That's why I'm sharing. Otherwise, I won't involve in this type of discussion. My team is going to take care. But seems to be you are a gentleman like. That's why I'm trying to help to you. These type of things. So are going to, tempt you to take the decisions immediately. Financial decisions. Any major big financial decisions. Minimum 3 days. Pause, think, and then take the decision. Giving the loan, taking the loan, buying something, any kind of thing. Don't take array. You may miss this opportunity in your lifetime. No problem for me. Because without contacting my guru, I can't do anything. Just you can convey, because he the person who is the decided. I require to talk with my brother. I require to talk with my father. Then only I can take the decision. I can't take this decision alone on my own. I require to discuss with my wife. Something like convey. Okay, just a pass. Then you will get the originality. Don't take the decisions in urgency, scarcity. These kind of marketing kind of techniques, doston. Getting right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
The same way, your friend is going to come. My life is very horrible. Okay, if you are not going to help me, suicide is the next option, like he's going to tell. Don't go for suicide. Okay, give some time, because I'm not having the money. I require to take some time, right? Give some time. I will let you know. Like, then start thinking, start analyzing, start knowing, collecting the information, knowing the things, analyzing. All those things must be required.